sections. Let me show you I'm using the right bolts. Base bolts. Let's see. Tell me which nuts are which. Show press will be located and determine where the base press will be located in the floor. Maybe. Okay. 4 goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay. It's definitely got the decimal right here. Alright. Where's my pack hiding on me? Okay. Yeah. Centerpiece here. Alright. Got the centerpiece. Your nut. Alright. There we go. Next one. Again, because it's longer. There we go. Our second nut. Okay, with that said, I'm going to try to add the clear, right in the clear. You need that one to go in the front brace. Come on, get in there. Not exactly perfect. Come on. Come on. Another hole. There we go. That one in that. Got that. Alright, great. Okay, we got to this point here. You get your smaller, shorter bolts. They're going to be on your braces. You got longer bolts. They're going to be going through 3 pieces here. So, and everything's 17. Just make sure you go back through them and tighten them all down. And that gives me my base. Oh, it looks like it's higher on one side than on the other. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I really want you to get it where you want it because it's gonna start getting really heavy now. So what we're gonna do, I gotta get the pins. I just do it where they are. Slide these in here. And then I'm gonna slide that over the top and down. These are right, so it doesn't tickle. Ouch, matter. Oh, damn, that hurt. Alright. This stuff's sharp, so be careful. Okay. Cut myself. Whew. Those edges. Careful those edges. I'll let you know. Oh, I cut myself. Okay. What's the deal? What is the deal here? You are not This puppy is not level. Wow. Huh. I thought it wasn't. I didn't think it was level. What in the world? Holy cow. Oh. Oh. Really? Yeah, really. No. Oh, no kidding. Okay. Nuts. This is what happens when you don't pay attention. You see what's going on here? I got these facing the same direction. This has got to turn around and face outside because this has got to be on that. So that's why one side is higher than the other. A little setback. Everything's back in tight again. Height is the same at the moment. So let's get this piece right here on there. Remember, I just said those freaking ends on that thing are sharp. Down here, I'll get a minute. I will grind that puppy off. All right. Set like that. All right. That's the way they want that. Then you've got this piece here. I think that can go in at any time. This is your press. That's your press piece. And then because your bottle jack sits right on here. Got small bolts to, I think they're Allen's actually, to bolt your bottle jack right to that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put this top on here. You've got those big old bolts right there. Not sure how I'm going to be able to do that by myself or not. We're going to find out here. These bolts. Get these bolts ready to go. And of course, the wife has called me for supper, so probably all I'm going to do on it tonight. Okay, let's get these tools standing by. All right, let's see. Okay, all right. Here we go. What else is Chevy? Heavy here. Heavy like a Chevy. Okay. Come on. Get a little heavy here. Alright, I'm not lined up here. Alright, this side then. This side. Alright, fine. Okay. Now I don't know if they recommend putting the bolts through both one side, straight across on one side, I guess. Alright. Okay. Let's clear that. These are gonna be bigger nuts here. Lock nut. Oh man. That works, huh? much that's it for tonight. I'll fire that into that size socket for this real quick. Might even have it right here.